Добрый день! We're talking about the genitive case of nouns, and in the last video we looked at a couple of feminine words. So a reminder, we use the genitive case when there is the word нет in the sentence to show absence of someone or something, or when we're counting with numbers 2, 3, and 4. So with feminine nouns we use I ending, and sometimes it's E because some of our consonants, 7 consonants, do not like I. They say, okay, we're fine with E, but don't put I next to us. So and that's what we encountered with female friend, which is подруга. So у меня есть подруга, у меня одна подруга, у меня есть подруги. So for plural forms, we put I for masculine and masculine and feminine nouns, but here we cannot put I because once we put I here, ge has a fit and says no, 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 not gonna work. I don't like I. Give me I instead. I'm okay with I. So that's the reason for the change here. And then when we go into genitive case, we need another I. So here I for plural, which we cannot do, replace with I. But here we need it for the genitive case and cannot do it again. This rule applies to all parts of speech and all parts of words every single time. These letters just do not like I, not friends with I. So whenever you're trying to put I for whatever reason, plural, genitive case, any other reason, they never take it. They always repel it and take I instead. So here I does not work for plural. We go with I, подруги. And here I, which we need for genitive case, cannot be placed here. We use I instead because of this 7-letter spelling rule. So у меня есть две. Please remember that two does have gender, has two forms. We use два with masculine and neuter nouns, два друга, два окна, but we use две. It doesn't really follow the logic of feminine endings just to memorize. Две with ye here, две подруги, two female friends. And подруга again can mean female friend, just like girlfriend, like girlfriend meaning just a female friend, or it can mean a girlfriend, подруга. Okay, let's say три. Три подруги, четыре подруги, нет подруги. I don't have a female friend, I don't have a girlfriend, so нет подруги. And we'll look at one more feminine word, which is сестра. Сестра is sister, so у меня есть сестра. Please make sure to pronounce this word the Russian way with stress a, and that makes unstressed e pronounced as и. Сестра. У меня есть сестра. У меня есть одна сестра. So again, number one has gender. Одна сестра. У меня есть сестры. So the spelling is traditional. We add I to most masculine and feminine nouns. So drop a, make room for a new ending, I. But the unusual part here is that the stress shifts to the first syllable, which turns into yo, and that's the only difference. So in pronunciation, there is a difference. We say сестра, but here it's сестры. But in spelling, you follow the rules of adding I to make masculine and feminine nouns plural. У меня есть сестры. And then when we count, so this I was here for plural, but this is for genitive case. У меня есть две, and две is in feminine form. Две сестры, три сестры, четыре сестры. У меня нет сестры. So I hope it all makes sense. Here is the summary one more time. Genitive case. Right now you need to know that we use genitive case when we find the word нет in a sentence to say that someone or something are not present or missing. I don't have. And then also when we count, but not after number 1, only after numbers 2, 3, and 4. And what does genitive case mean? It means that if you have a masculine or neuter noun, it's going to have a ending, sometimes ya, and ya is an exception only after these letters. And then if the word is feminine, the new ending will be I, and sometimes I, and the exceptions are explained here. Это все. Let me know if there are any questions. I'll continue with the genitive case in the next set of videos. До свидания.